Hello everyone, this is Tej here. So as you know that I am right now nowadays I am trying to improve my English and as well as my communication skills. So friends, you know that in my previous video I told you that I will make video on storytelling. So today I am going to tell you a very simple and a very good story in my own way that was read in the last day. So if you find any mistake then just tell me so that I can improve my English and I will not do any mistake. I will not do the same mistake in my next video. So once upon a time there was a mouse. One day he saw a basket full of corn and he think that I have to eat. He was a very greedy and he think I have to eat, and he just entered through the hole and just start to eating corn, and he was full of belly, and he tried to get out but he could not because he was full of belly. So he think that I can't able to go out, so I have to rest. I have need to some rest, and he was just sleep. And when he wake up, he just try to eat some corn, and again he was full of belly and try to go outside, but he can't this time. They also could not go. Then he was crying and asking for help and just crying, shouting. Then heard rabbit heard her voice and just came and say, why are you crying, what happened with you? Then he say, I am stuck in the bucket, I could not go outside. Then rabbit say, you have ate a lot of corn, your belly is full, so when your belly shrink then you can get out. So he just go away from there, and mouse again sleep, and when he wake up he start eating corns. Then he think, oh, I have to go outside. Then again he try to go outside through the hole, but he could not because his belly was full. So he just weeping, crying, and after some time there was a passes a cat, and he heard her voice and go there, and he see one mouse stuck in the bucket. Then he lift the lid and eat the mouse. So what we learn from this story, we should never stay in our comfort zone. Comfort zone is not suitable for us. We should always try to work hard, because comfort zone, when we stay comfort zone, our progress will be stuck. So that is the story I read last night, and I am trying to explain myself in my word. So I hope you will understand. I just take a very normal and very short story because I can't explain a very big story, because you all already know I am a my I am a beginner right now. So I can't explain a very big story. So somehow when we feel that now I am able to read a big story, so then I will definitely try to explain a big story. So we will meet in the next video. Till that, Jai Hind.